Hey guys, it's Josh with MLC CAD Systems, and today we're looking at some of the new features available in SOLIDWORKS 2019. SOLIDWORKS 2019 introduces some great new capabilities that not only improve the user experience, but increase your daily productivity. Providing quick access to your designs, the Welcome page now lists up to 100 of your recently opened documents. Each document is displayed with its own preview, and the new Quick Filter option can be used to refine the list by displaying only parts, drawings, assemblies, or top-level assemblies. The new Filter by Name dialog allows me to find and open the document I'm looking for in a matter of seconds. Building relationships between features and parts is a powerful method for capturing design intent. SOLIDWORKS 2019 makes it even easier to view and manage external references. References can now be broken or locked when dynamically viewing parent-child relationships from the Feature Manager. When using a top-down approach to design, assemblies can consist of many parts, each containing numerous external references. The references for an entire assembly can now be viewed and managed in a new interactive dialog box. Each component containing one or more references is listed, along with each individual feature, its status, and the referenced entity. Simplifying things further, parts can be viewed independently by selecting the Isolate option. In this example, the rear baffle plate. As each reference is selected from the list, its related geometry is highlighted in the graphics area. This particular pattern is shown to be referencing a cylindrical face of the rear mount flange component. Instead, we want to reference the outer face of this plate. Selecting the Break option removes the relation from the cylindrical pattern. Now the direction reference for the pattern can be redefined by simply editing the feature. SOLIDWORKS 2019 makes managing complex relations between features and parts easier than ever. One more modification is required to finish this design. The counterweight for the camera requires at least 50 millimeters of clearance between the flange and the body. To increase the overall distance or reduce the thickness of the flange. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2019, the Measure tool can be accessed at any time, providing a seamless, uninterrupted workflow whether you're modifying a dimension or editing a feature. A quick change to the flange thickness ensures that the counterweight will now fit, and the design changes are complete. With these new capabilities, SOLIDWORKS 2019 makes your everyday user experience even more productive. I hope you found this video informative. If you do, please hit that like and subscribe button below. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local MLC CAD Systems technical representative. Thank you.